Easy phrases for beginners, learning English for kids.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't run. Don't run. Walk, please. Walk, please. Thank you. Thank you. Look. Look. Be careful. Be careful. No. No. Don't touch. Don't touch. Close the door. Close the door. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good job. Good job. What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink? I want water, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? I can dance. I can dance. Dancing is fun. Dancing is fun.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video and love this English learning method. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Goodbye.